show you how to get how to hatch your wait how to how to hatch faster o how to hatch your eggs faster. Okay, finally, man. Okay, first you need the blood kiwi or kiwi, and you also need two chicken or one chicken, maybe three chicken, and I mean two chicken and one rooster. But you can put one kiwi, one chicken, and one rooster. So wait, where's my rooster? Okay. Oh, there we go. And my chicken. Chicken. Another one. Bo, why do I chill? Bro. How did... Bro, where's my other chicken? Why? What? How is my... Uh, okay, where's my kiwi? Blood kiwi. Where is my kiwi? Bro! My kiwi! Where's my freaking kiwi? Where is my kiwi? Wait. Is someone hacked? Where is my... Oh, so much. Don't you dare steal a fruit, man. If you have Robux, I'm just get... Stop roaming around on my god. Get out. Get out. Shoot. Stop going to my garden. Okay, I need to take off my honeybee. Bro! Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! Okay. You need two chicken and one rooster. And a freaking blood kiwi that is a freaking monster right now, man. Okay, my moon melon. Yo! Paldo! Okay. You can just leave because the kiwis still can hatch it. Don't you dare break my egg, man. Oh my god! Bro, I got... Oh my gigi. Where is it, man? Where is my moon melon? Where is that freaking moon melon, man? Okay. Stop getting on my way. Yo, where's my moon? Oh, luckily I didn't got it. Let's go. I'm gonna paldo with this one. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm raging from that forex, man.